Hey guys, this is Jamin with PC Monkey, bringing you another do-it-yourself video today. Today we're looking at a Samsung tablet and a Samsung phone. Sometimes you guys get that annoying briefing that keeps popping up, giving you news stories that you have no interest in. Or you have that Bixby thing that's always thinking you're trying to take photos to buy stuff. So we're going to show you how to remove both of those, shut those functions off so you don't have to deal with those anymore. First of all, on the Samsung Note, they're kind of similar, they're both Samsung. On the Samsung tablet here, you're just going to grab your screen and squish it in. Just going to grab your screen, squish it in, slide to the left, and there's your briefing. I'll zoom in for you there. You see that? There's your briefing. There's a little scroll in the top. Sometimes there'll be a check mark box. Either uncheck it or turn this off. See how that just turned it off? And then you're all set. Tap back to the home screen. So that's how you would disable those in your Samsung tablet. As far as the phone, we'll zoom in on the phone here. Same action. Squish your screen down. Slide over to the left. And as you can see, I don't have briefing on this. My issue on the phone was the Bixby thing that kept popping up. So again, you'll either have a checkbox on top or you'll have this little scroll bar. Hit the scroll bar, turn that thing off, get those things out of your face. You don't got to deal with those anymore. If you want to reset them or turn them on, you would just obviously do the reverse of that for those of you looking how to get those back and not remembering how you turned them off. But if that was helpful, please like and share. If your issue is how to turn off something else and you can't find it that way, leave a message in the comment section. We'll get back to you. And subscribe if you enjoy do-it-yourself electronic repair. Thanks for watching.